Who's this from?
Papa. That's from Papa.
These are all from Papa?
Yep.
He always gives us money in our cards.
Mm-hmm.
Daddy, can you hold this?
Get to put it on the counter if you want to put the
Oh,
money.
that's nice.
What'd you get, Jagger?
Wow.
What'd you get, balloons?
Yeah.
What's in your stocking?
20 and 10. Mine has 20 and 10.
Oh, the fizz.
I got the Pez. Pez. We got a whole Pez box. Giant box of Pez. Wow. What's this? Oh no, it's smushed. No, look. It's smushed. Wait, go. And look at the bottom.
That's from Papa, Jagger. Open it up and see what's in it.
Huh?
Open it up and see.
It's a pear letter.
Help,
There's a pear letter.
help Jagger with his card.
Oh, I can do it. There's a big letters. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! They're giant letters.
Oh my goodness, cool. That's a pear.
The pear.
I'll pick that you want, Sarah. Sarah,
Okay.
Sarah, this is yours.
This.
Sarah.
Just put it on top of this. And mine. I'm not even done my stocking yet.
Whoa, what? Jagger got money from Papa. What'd he say?